This is an attempt to try and do a video tour of my house that's under construction up in North Bossier in the Colony. This is the front elevation, which will have stucco on the front with transition into brick veneer. And it's got a pretty tall front elevation. It'll have a metal shed roof over the front porch, which should look kind of neat with the rest of the house. I'll try to walk this thing around without making it too jumpy, which I think will be a little difficult, but we'll try this out and see how this works. Walking up to the front porch. Walking into the front porch and into the entry. The entry is just a wide open space that just transitions into the family room, the breakfast area, and into the kitchen, and to the immediate right is the dining area. The plumbing that's stubbed up that you see right here in the center of the photo is the plumbing for the island cabinet kitchen for the kitchen and dishwasher and a little bistro type bar. Transition over to the breakfast area with the windows. Windows looking out to the backyard. And this part is the corner fireplace. Above it will be an entertainment center for a flat screen device. And coming around to the left side, which will be an arched opening going into the 3-bedroom wing. This is the front bedroom. It has a small walk-in closet. And going into the hallway, you can see the rough-in plumbing for the hall bath. This is the middle bedroom of the 3-bedroom wing. In the corner it opens up into a walk-in closet. And going down to the end of the hallway is the 3rd bedroom on this side of the house. And it has a walk-in closet as well. Little hall closet. Walking over through the family room into the kitchen area. There's a corner pantry that's going to be built in over here, and the wall will be lined with the range in the center of this wall, followed by some countertop space and the refrigerator. Of course, this is the little breakfast area, looking out over the backyard with a 8-foot door opening onto the back patio. And this is the view from the breakfast area, looking back across the family room, the dining room, and the entry area. It's all wide open space except for the beams that kind of transition the room areas. Walking from the kitchen into a short hallway, and on this side of the house is the master bedroom. And it opens up into the master bath. The plumbing is a reference for the vanity setup, about 6 foot wide with 2 vanity bowls. Opening up to walk-in closets on both sides of the vanity cabinets, and like I said, there are 2 walk-in closets, one on each side of the vanity. The arched opening overhead is a reference for the built-in tile shower with a recessed floor. To the right of it will be the whirlpool tub location, just below the window. And you see the stack for the little potty room that's adjacent to that as well. There's a planter shelf that's just above the walls that make up the toilet room, the whirlpool tub, and the shower. The master bedroom's ceiling is vaulted up to about 14 feet in the center. Be a light tray for reflective lighting that goes around the bottom of this plate line. From the master bedroom we go down the hallway toward the garage, and we do have a half bath located close to the utility room, which is next to it, for a utility sink, washing machine, and dryer, a little storage. And of course you walk out of the utility room into the two-car garage. A little bit of storage. Should hold 2 motorcycles and my truck. This is my big dumpster. It'll be here for a little while. This is the garage elevation on this side. It'll be all brick veneers on the back side. Well, this is the progress through July 3rd. I'll try to post another video if this turns out okay.